Hi guys, in front of me is Realme C61 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings. Then from settings list find and select wallpaper and style and mark home screen at first. Click on change wallpaper. And now select the photo that you want to apply as your home screen wallpaper. You can choose one from your own photos or select some from on-device wallpapers if you want to. So just tap on particular one, see how it looks on both home and lock screen. And let me apply, for example, this one. Here you can see how it looks and then mark confirmation mark and then decide if it's for both or just lock or home screen. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.